first lesson in taking a jab is you slap him and say, as if, bro. Came across him at the hidden puppy like that. Woof! That sound, could it be? Woof! Oh, it's just you. I saw nothing. I saw absolutely nothing. Wow, Mr. Dazai, you like on a soccer man even though you're a grown-up? Yeah, I love him. That's kind of weird. Hey, Rocco, do you want to play ball together? Come on, play with me. Joining the Kyoko would be fun too. I don't like childish games like that. It's kind of hard making friends with Rompo. Oh, I heard there's a special snack for the two of us today. Something special in that.
This is a pair of scissors for cutting things. They're not for stabbing, and they're not for assassinating anybody.
It wasn't going to. Hey, beneath the hydrant! You changed from a dog into a cat. Yep, lots of snacks.